Are you dreaming of a garden bursting with color, life, and energy, but want it to be easy to care for and quick to flourish? You're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, vibrant, fast-growing flowers are within your reach, and you don't need a green thumb to make it happen. In 2025, home gardens are getting a fresh new look. These 10 garden ideas are taking the world by storm, and I'm here to guide you step by step so you can bring these trends right into your own yard. Imagine transforming your outdoor space into a personal retreat that reflects your style and brings you joy every day. Gardening is more than just planting seeds. It's about connecting with nature, nurturing life, and creating a sanctuary for yourself and your loved ones. It's a way to slow down, breathe deeply, and find happiness in the simple act of watching something grow. Plus, it's a wonderful activity to share with family and friends, making memories that last a lifetime. Today, I'll walk you through 10 creative, easy flower garden ideas that anyone can try, no matter your experience level or the size of your yard. From bold color palettes to clever layouts, these ideas will help you turn any outdoor space into a blooming paradise and a true extension of your home. These ideas are all about designing with intention, choosing the right plants, arranging them for maximum impact, and creating beauty you can enjoy from spring through fall. You'll learn how to make the most of every inch, whether you have a sprawling yard or a cozy patio. From the moment you step out your front door to the quiet corners by your back fence, we'll cover every part of your yard. You'll discover how to create inviting pathways, colorful borders, and peaceful nooks that make your garden feel like a true escape. And don't forget, if you stay with me until the end, you'll get access to my exclusive free printable guide. It's packed with expert tips, easy-to-follow layouts, and plant suggestions to help you get started right away, no matter your skill level. So grab your gloves, gather your inspiration, and let's get our hands dirty. Together, we'll dream up and grow a beautiful garden that you'll love for years to come. Let's make something truly special, right in your own backyard. The front door is your home's first impression, so why not make it unforgettable? A thoughtfully chosen color palette and a burst of blooms can transform even the simplest entryway into a show-stopping welcome. Whether you're greeting guests or just coming home after a long day, a vibrant front door sets the tone for everything inside. Start by pairing hydrangeas as a lush, elegant backdrop. Their full, cloud-like blossoms add instant charm and a sense of abundance, making your entrance feel both grand and inviting. Layer in cascading petunias for a waterfall of color. Their trailing habit softens hard edges and brings movement to your display, creating a dynamic, ever-changing look as the seasons progress. Hydrangeas anchor the design with their timeless structure and resilience. These classic shrubs are known for their ability to thrive in a variety of climates, and their blooms last for months, providing a reliable foundation for your front door garden. Petunias, on the other hand, spill gracefully from pots or window boxes, blooming all season with minimal care. Their wide range of colors means you can customize your palette to suit your home's style or your personal taste. For a sophisticated look, choose deep purple petunias to contrast with crisp white hydrangeas. The rich, velvety tones of the petunias make the hydrangeas' blooms pop, creating a striking visual effect. Or, for a playful twist, pair bright pink petunias with blue hydrangeas. This bold combination is cheerful and eye-catching, perfect for making your entryway stand out in the neighborhood. Both hydrangeas and petunias thrive with plenty of sunlight and regular watering, making them a low-effort, high-impact choice for busy homeowners. With just a little attention, you'll enjoy months of vibrant color and healthy growth. This dynamic duo creates a warm, abundant welcome every time you come home. The combination of structure and softness, color and texture, makes your front door feel like a destination, not just an entry point. Tending to these plants is more than just gardening. It's a daily ritual that brings a sense of peace and accomplishment. Each time you water or prune, you're nurturing a living work of art that greets you and your guests. Frame your front door with this simple yet stunning combo for instant curb appeal. It's an easy way to boost your home's value and charm, all while expressing your unique style. Start your garden story right at your doorstep and let every arrival feel like a celebration of color, life, and the beauty of home. A cottage garden is all about romantic, beautiful chaos, texture, fragrance, and history. Mix lavender, foxgloves, hollyhocks, and sweet peas for classic charm. Lavender's fragrant spikes ground the bed and attract pollinators. Foxgloves and hollyhocks add dramatic height and nostalgic blooms. Sweet peas climb and weave, adding whimsy and sweet fragrance. This mix draws in bees and hummingbirds, creating a lively ecosystem. It's a garden you can get lost in, filled with life and timeless beauty. Let your garden tell a story with every bloom. Embrace the magic of a thriving, rambling cottage mix. Don't just garden out, garden up. Vertical bloom walls are living art, perfect for small spaces. Use hollyhock for height, Mexican sunflower for fiery color, and foxglove for elegant texture. Hollyhocks create strong vertical lines and anchor the design. Mexican sunflowers fill in with vibrant orange-red blooms and attract butterflies. Foxgloves add woodland elegance and intricate detail. Layer these for a dynamic, multi-textured wall of blooms. Even the smallest space can become a showstopper. Transform a plain wall into a vertical garden masterpiece. Got a hot, sunny spot in your yard that always seems too harsh for most plants? Don't worry, there's a simple solution that brings beauty without the hassle. You can create a no-fuss border using tough, colorful flowers that thrive in the sunniest, driest corners of your garden. Think of coreopsis, purple coneflower, and zinnias. These are not just survivors, but true standouts. These three varieties love the heat and sunshine, making them perfect for those challenging spots where other plants might struggle or wilt. Coreopsis, with its rivers of golden blooms, is not only drought-tolerant but also blooms for weeks on end, brightening up your border with minimal watering or care. Purple coneflower stands tall and proud, its daisy-like flowers attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators, adding life and movement to your garden. Zinnias are the ultimate gap fillers, bursting with a confetti of vibrant colors. They're incredibly easy to grow from seed, so you can simply scatter them and watch them flourish all summer long. Together, this trio creates a cheerful, meadow-like border that looks lush and inviting, yet requires very little effort to maintain. Imagine enjoying a season-long show of color and texture, all without the need for constant deadheading, staking, or fussing over your plants. By choosing these smart, low-maintenance plants, you'll spend less time working and more time relaxing in your beautiful outdoor space. Let your border burst with color and life, transforming even the toughest spots into a vibrant focal point. This easy care border is perfect for lining walkways, driveways, or any sunny edge, giving your garden a polished, welcoming look with almost no effort at all. Why let your garden fade at night? Create a moon garden that glows after dark. Choose evening primrose, jasmine, and moonflowers for luminous blooms and intoxicating scents. Evening primrose opens at dusk, carpeting borders in soft yellow. Night-blooming jasmine fills the air with unforgettable fragrance. Moonflower vines unfurl huge, glowing white blooms at twilight. These plants reflect moonlight and invite you outside in the evening. A moon garden is a magical sensory retreat. Enjoy quiet nights surrounded by beauty and scent. Let your garden shine even after sunset. Bring the garden indoors with a dedicated cut flower patch. Cosmos, zinnias, and celosia are prolific, easy-to-grow choices. Cosmos add airy charm and endless blooms for bouquets. Zinnias provide bold color and sturdy stems, perfect for arrangements. Celosia offers unique textures and jewel tones, great fresh or dried. These flowers thrive in sun and keep blooming as you cut. Grow your own bouquets all season long. Share the beauty. Give flowers to friends and neighbors. A cut flower patch is your personal flower shop. Fill your home with fresh, homegrown color. Blur the line between flower bed and veggie patch. Grow edible blossoms. Nasturtiums and pansies are easy, colorful, and delicious. Nasturtiums trail beautifully and add a peppery kick to salads. Pansies bloom early and late, with mild, sweet flavors. Use them to garnish dishes, decorate desserts, or freeze in ice cubes. Edible flowers attract pollinators and add gourmet flair to meals. Harvest beauty and flavor from the same space. Make every meal a celebration with edible blooms. Engage all your senses. Combine fragrant herbs with beautiful blooms. Lavender, rosemary, and sage are a Mediterranean dream team. Their scents mingle in the air, creating natural aromatherapy. These herbs repel pests and attract pollinators, supporting your garden's health. Lavender's purple spikes and calming scent are a pollinator magnet. Rosemary's piney aroma and blue flowers add texture and deter pests. Sage's soft leaves and purple blooms complete the trio. Plant them together for a resilient, fragrant, and beautiful bed. Enjoy a garden that's as practical as it is stunning. Let scent and color fill your outdoor space. Want privacy and beauty? Plant a fragrant hedge of star jasmine. This evergreen vine creates a lush, dense screen year-round. In late spring, it bursts with tiny, white, pinwheel-shaped flowers. The sweet, rich scent fills your garden, especially in the evening. Train it on a trellis, fence, or arbor for custom coverage. Enjoy a living wall that's more than just a boundary. Star jasmine is fast-growing, manageable, and stunning. Turn your fence into a fragrant, blooming feature. Every garden needs an anchor. Add a fast-growing flowering tree for instant impact. Crepe myrtle and dogwood are top picks for quick beauty and year-round interest. Crepe myrtle dazzles with summer blooms, fall color, and sculptural bark. Dogwood heralds spring with breathtaking bracts and elegant branching. Both trees offer shade, structure, and multi-season appeal. Planting a tree is a gift to your future garden. Enjoy dramatic color and presence in just a few years. Let your tree become the heart of your landscape. Anchor your garden with living beauty. That's 10 ideas to help you create a garden full of color, life, and beauty. Grab your free flower garden guide below for layouts, pairings, and bloom calendars. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more. Your garden is a journey. Enjoy every step. I can't wait to see what you create. Let's grow beauty together. Bloom on.